Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So if you like weird or creepy stories, this might be one for you. And it's really out there, and I'm very lucky that this individual showed their hand before I met them for this sale because it was really weird. I got the weird feeling going, and yeah. So I have a friend who's a really big time reseller, and I told her this story this morning, and she's like, "Oh my god, that is strange." So like a lot of you, I'm trying to make a couple extra dollars. End of the year, minimizing. It's been a bear of a 2 years. So, any extra dollars you might have for Christmas, I'm all about that. And a lot of you who follow me on Instagram, I've lost a little bit of weight on the keto diet. And with that, my feet have become smaller. So go figure that one out. So these boots I bought, they were like 200. I got a good deal on them. So I was trying to sell them for like about $60 on Marketplace. And I took some beautiful photos of them, just of the boots, and that they were really in great shape. So the first day they were on Marketplace, I got a lot of lowball offers, like people that just wanted them for free or like $10 or something like that. If I put them on eBay, the problem with that is to ship these boots, because they are heavier, I'd probably lose the entire sale just with shipping. So like, ugh. So, I decided I would throw it up on Marketplace, and the first day, again, really lowball. The next day, late at night, I received a message, and I never responded because I was sleeping. And then the next day, it was a man who responded to the ad, and he said that he didn't want to buy the boots. He had no interest in purchasing them, but if you want to make money, I can make you an offer, ... That creeped me out. That was a creepy, creepy message. And I just immediately blocked this person. I was like, I'm old enough to know what that's about. And this is like an ad for women's boots. Like, what are you trolling, fishing, or looking for? And for those of you out there who would give this person the benefit of the doubt, how he wrote that was super uber creepy. Like, it just was weird. And my friend who's the big time reseller, we were talking about this morning. She told me, she said, what if he never led with that and just said that he wanted to buy the boots for his wife or his girlfriend or somebody, because they're ladies' boots. And I went and met this person and then got into trouble at the sale. And you never think this way. I've been selling little odds and ends around our house. I sold a little table. I sold couple other things we had lying around, a dresser, just little things, and all of that moved, no problems, no issues. So my guard was really down. So when I got this message, I almost kind of froze. I'm like, this is just weird. And if you're old enough, you can read between the lines that this is like not a good thing. And potentially, if this person didn't lead with what they wanted, which was not the boots, I could have been in a lot of trouble, guys, if I would have met up with this person on the guise that he was going to buy the shoes. But he said what he was interested in, which is just creepy and weird. And, it's not what I do on Facebook Marketplace. So, like I was saying, I've been doing a lot of sales since the fall, just little odds and ends around the house. And you can make some money on Facebook Marketplace selling little things here and there. But my guard was really down, because when I got that message, it just hit me like a brick. I was like, wow, that is just the craziest thing. And I really can't stress it enough to be safe out there. And sometimes when you have the speed of the holidays and everything that's happening, and you're trying to, do a million things, you can maybe just meet the wrong person at a sale and be in a situation that isn't cool. So I wrote down a couple of things to always be mindful of when you are doing any sort of online sale locally. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing is, if somebody's going to send you like inappropriate emails or say something that you're not comfortable with in the message. There's one thing that's playful banter, but to say, I know how you can earn some extra money, ... I mean, we all know what that means. It's just not okay. Nope. I would recommend any sale to meet somebody in a public place. Do not get them to come to your house. You do not know who's coming to your home. If you are doing this on your own, you got to share your location with somebody else and tell them, this is who I'm meeting off of Facebook Marketplace. Here's the link to their profile. meet at a police station or a bank parking lot where there's cameras everywhere. Your safety is number one. And sometimes when you're meeting like 3 people in one day for 3 different sales, that's when you can get into a situation that potentially could be dangerous. 99.9% of all the interactions I have are business, business, business. But this one creeped me out. In the comments, if you've ever dealt with anything like this, I'd love to hear about it. And be safe out there, guys.